Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to edit or remove subtitle from YouTube video. Before starting work, is my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in YouTube studio and we are in content. Now you see we have videos. So we are going to edit or remove subtitle from YouTube video. Now open any video. Now you see pencil icon details, so click on it. Now video detail open and then you see subtitle, so click on it. Now you see pop-up and then you see text. So this is our subtitle. Now you see all. So this is text format. Now you see edit timing. Also you see three dot. If you want you can download subtitle. If you want you can clear text. If you want you can upload file to replace this, so it's up to you. And then you see edit timing, so click on it. Now you see minute second frame. Again you see minute second frame and then you see text. So you can change or edit text according to requirement. Now you see, so we are going to change it. So we edit some text. If you want you can remove some text like this, so it's up to you. So you can make changes according to requirement. In subtitle, if you want you can add more caption. Now you see plus icon. Now you see this is all our subtitle or caption for YouTube video. So you can edit or delete and then click on done. Now you see English subtitle publish. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.